Hi guys, hello, good afternoon. So, now we're going to learn about the operation on functions. Ang topic natin for today is operation on function. So last meeting natin, yung pinag-aralan natin is kung paano i-evaluate ang isang function. So ngayon naman, pag-aaralan na natin yung operation ng functions. So actually, meron tayong 4 fundamental operations sa math. 'Di ba? Alam natin 'yan. Elementary. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So same din sa function. So operations natin dito, meron tayong addition, meron tayong subtraction, multiplication, and then the division. But then, meron tayong i-introduce na tinatawag nating composite function. So, before composite function, dun muna tayo sa 4 fundamental operations. Sige. So, by definition, let f daw and then g be a function. So, let's have the number 1. Yung sum daw nila, which is f plus g of x, that would be the same as f of x plus g of x. So, ganun lang. So, if we're going to add f and g, so that would be f of x plus g of x lang. Next, yung difference naman nila. So, if meron tayong f minus g of x, the same lang siya kay f of x minus g of x. So, ganun lang. Walang problema. Next is the product. So, what if meron tayong f times g of x? So, again, multiply mo lang yung f of x and then g of x. By the way, yung symbol natin na ito, yung dot, multiplication siya ha. Multiply mo lang yung f of x sa g of x. Lastly, for quotient. So, f divide g of x. So, that is f of x divide g of x. Ganun lang. But, in our case here, dapat yung g of x natin, hindi siya pwede maging 0. So, g of x must not be equal to 0. Bakit hindi pwede maging 0 yung g of x? Kasi, if mapapansin natin, yung g of x natin dito is the denominator. So, meaning, kung may denominator tayong 0, yung ano na to is magiging undefined siya. Kasi meron nga tayong denominator na 0, which is dapat hindi magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator. Nakuha. So, before discussing the composite functions, so ito muna. Nakuha. Sige, let's try to solve an example. So, what if, let's say for example, we are given the following functions. F of x is equals to x plus 5. Then you have g of x, that is 2x negative 1. And then, si h of x naman, meron tayong 2x squared plus 9x negative 5. Now, let's try to find kung ano yung sum ni f and g of x. So, find first f plus g of x. Number 2, copy lang muna ha. So, f minus g of x. Number 3, f times g of x. Number 4, f divide Hindi nga pala F. So number 4 is H divide G of X. So number 5, meron tayong F plus G of 3. 6, meron tayong F minus G of 3. Number 7, F times G of 3. Last, number 8, meron tayong H divide G of 3. So again, given tong tatlong functions na to, si f of x, g of x, tapos si h of x, we're going to find this one, operate this one. So let's have it here. Solution number 1, ito. So f plus g of x. Again, by the definition, so if we're going to add that one, so parang nag-add lang tayo ng f of x and then g of x. Nakuha. So again, substitute kung ano yung value ni f of x. That is x positive 5. Then you copy the addition sign. Then substitute yung value ni g of x. Magiging 2x negative 1 lamang siya. Then solve. Combine similar term. What is x and 2x? So we have 3x. So what is 5 and negative 1? 5 minus 1 is positive 4. So that's it. So f plus g of x, answer is 3x positive 4. Ganun lamang siya kadali. Oh, let's move on. Let's have the number 2. F minus g of x. So again, magiging f of x siya minus kay g of x. So substitute natin yung f of x. Ito, x positive 5 minus, what is g of x? Ayan, 2x negative 1. 2x negative 1. Be careful kasi yung operation natin dito is subtraction. Meaning to say, itong negative sign na to, kailangan pa natin tong i-distribute isa-isa dito sa loob ng parentheses. So that's why kapag subtraction yung operation natin dito, kailangan talaga i-enclose natin to sa parentheses, yung value ng g of x. Hindi pwede na hindi mo siya i-enclose. Nakuha, ulitin ko, make sure na pag magsasubstitute ka, kung operation natin is difference, kailangan i-enclose mo siya sa parentheses para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problema. So again, evaluate natin siya. Copy the x plus 5. Then ito na, negative times 2x. We have negative 2x. So we have negative 1 and times negative 1, that would be positive 1. So kung napansin nyo, nag-iba yung sign ng 1. Instead of negative, naging positive siya. Ganyan yung magiging effect niya. Again, combine similar terms. Tapos, add mo siya. So, x and negative 2x. So, magiging negative x siya. So, meron tayong 5 and 1, magiging positive 6. So, that's it. So, f minus g of x is equals to negative x plus 6. Ganun lang. I hope you understand, ha? Next, number 3. Ito. F times g of x. So again, substitute f of x, x plus 5. Since multiplication yung operation, lagyan ko ng parentheses silang dalawa. Again, hindi ako pwedeng gumamit ng x for multiplication kasi meron tayong variable na x. Malilito yung students natin. Also, ayaw kong gumamit ng dot. So instead na dot tapos yung x para sa multiplication, ginagamit natin dito is parentheses. Nakuha for multiplication. So x plus 5 times yung g of x natin, ito, 2x negative 1. Now, multiply natin sila using FOIL method. Again, first term, x times 2x. Very good. That is 2x squared. Kuha. Next, outer term, x times negative 1. That is negative x. Inner term, 5 times 2x. That is 10x. Last term, 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Okay. Now, copy 2x squared. Then, what is x plus 10x? Very good. That is positive 9x. Then you copy the negative 5. Ayun, that's it. Ganun lang. So, f times g of x is equals to 2x plus 9x. 2x squared, I mean, plus 9x negative 5. So, ganun lamang siya kadali. So, hindi siya mahirap, no? Ganun lang siya kadali. Next, let's have the number 4 here. Ito. H divided by g of x. By the way, pwede ka gumamit ng slash for divide. Pwede din yung symbol na ganito for divide. Pwede din ganito. Fraction natin siya. Pero I recommend ganito yung pagkasulat nyo para hindi tayo malito. Kasi ito yung mas madali. Kuha. H divided by g of x. So first, yung gagawin natin, substitute. Ano yung value ng h? Ito, 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 all over, ano yung value ng g? Ito, 2x negative 1. Now, i-divide natin silang dalawa. Paano sila i-divide? O basic algebra grade 7 ata to o grade 8. Tinuturo to sa inyo. Factor mo lang to. Tapos, i-factor to. If meron silang common na term, pwede mo sila i-eliminate. So now, paano natin i-factor si 2x squared plus 9x negative 5? Yan yung tanong. Kasi marami sa atin hindi alam kung paano siya i-factor. Dito natin siya i-solve. Factor 2x squared plus 9x negative 9. Ay, 9x negative 5. So, madali lang siya i-factor. Paano? Turuan ko kayo ng pinakamadaling process para siya i-factor. So, first, tignan natin yung first term. Ano yung first term niya? Meron tayong 2x squared. Ano yung factor ng 2? So, 2 and 1 lang. Nakuha. That is 2 times 1. Pwede din naman 1 times 2. Pero same lang naman sila. Basta meron tayong 2 tapos 1. So, ilagay natin dito si 2. Ilagay natin dito si 1. Next, variable x squared. Ano yung factor ng x squared? Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng x squared? So, meron tayong x dapat, then multiply to another variable x. So, if multiply natin tong 2x times 1x, so, yung result niya would be 2x squared. Ganun lamang siya. Nakuha. Now, tignan naman natin yung last term. Ano yung last term natin dito? Meron tayong negative 5. Very good. Question. Ano yung factors ng 5? 1 at saka 5 lang din naman. Pero, in this case, i-consider naman natin yung nasa middle term. So, meron tayong dalawang case lang dito. So, it's either 5 siya dito, tapos dito naman is 1. Nakuha. Kung magiging 5 ba to dito, yung middle term ba natin magiging 9x? Yes or no? Kasi yung ginagawa natin, multiply natin to. Multiply natin to. Multiply doon natin. 5 and x. 5x. 2 and 1, 2x. 2 and 5, that is 7. Is it possible? Hindi. So, hindi siya possible na maging 9 yung middle term. So, mali na siya. Now, gawa tayo ulit. Again, dito 2x. Dito naman is x. Pwedeng x, pwedeng 1x. Bahala kayo. So, x na lang para hindi tayo malito. Madaming numbers. Now, pagpalitin naman natin tong 5 at saka 1. Ilagay natin dito si 1. Ilagay natin dito si 5. Again, wala pang plus minus dyan ha. Wala pang plus minus. Tinatry pa lang natin. What if ito? 1 and x, that is x. 2 and 5, that is 10. Meron akong 10. Meron akong 1. So, kailan ako magkakaroon ng 9? If isubtract ko yung 10 at saka 1. Magkakaroon ako ng 9 if meron akong 10 minus 1. Tama ba? Yes, very good. So, yung goal ko is dapat magkaroon ako ng positive 10x, magkaroon ako ng negative 1x. So, paano ko magkaroon ng negative 1x? So, ito, 1 times x, ano yung sign ni 1? Dapat negative. Kasi negative 1 times x, negative x siya. Now, another, yung goal natin is magkaroon ako ng positive 10. So, 2x times 5. Ano ba dapat yung sign ng 5? Is it positive or negative? Very good, positive. Kasi yung goal natin is magkaroon ng 10x. 2x plus 5, positive. So, 2x times 5, 10x. So, meron na tayong 10x minus x. So, that's why, achieve natin tong middle term na 9x. So, kung i-factor natin tong 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, yung factor niya must be ito. 2x minus 1 and then x plus 5. So, ganun siya i-factor ha. I hope may natutunan kayo. So, ilagay natin siya dito. 2x minus 1 and x plus 5. You copy over 2x minus 1. Question. May magkapareho ba na term? Wala. If meron, pwede siya eliminate. So, kung papansin nyo, meron tayong 2x minus 1 sa numerator, sa denominator naman meron. So, eliminate lang natin siya. So, meron tayong final answer is x plus 5. So, therefore, h divided by g of x is x plus 5. Ganun lamang siya. So, I hope you understand. Next, number 5. F plus g of 3. So, kung mapapansin natin, kanina, sinolve natin yung value ni f plus g of x. Yung result natin dito is 3x plus 4. Nakuha. So, ang gagawin natin dito, since f plus g of x is equals to 3x plus 4, then f plus g of 3 is equals to magiging 3 times yung x na to, palitan ko lang ng 3. 3 times 3 plus copy 4. Nakuha yung reason natin. Ito, since f plus g of x is 3x plus 4 based sa sinolve natin kanina, now, ngayon, si f plus g of 3 is magiging ganito na. Yung x natin, pinalitan ko siya ng 3 kasi yan yung pinapa-evaluate sa atin. So, 3 times 3 plus 4. So, evaluate. What is 3 times 3? 9. What? Copy the positive 4. 9 and 4. Yes, very good. 13. So, f plus g of 3 is equals to 13. Nakuha. Oh, let's have the number 6. Oh, f minus g of 3. So again, gamitin natin to. Oh, reason out. Since f minus g of x is equals to negative x plus 6, then f minus g of 3 is equals to negative yung x natin 3. Ayan. Plus, again, 6 ito. So, meron tayong negative times 3, negative 3, plus 6. What is negative 3 plus 6? Right, that is positive 6. Positive 3, I mean. So, final answer, f minus g of 3, that is positive 3. Nakuha? Very good. Now, let's have another example. Last two examples. So, what if, let's say, for example, meron tayong, ito, ipakita ko ha. Number 7. F times G of 3. Paano natin sasagutan yan? So, again, kanina, sinolve natin yung times nga pala, F times G. Yung product ni F tapos G of X. Yung result natin is ito. 2x squared plus 9x negative 5. So, since f times g of x is equals to 2x squared to plus 9x negative 5, then f times g of 3 is equals to 2 times x natin is 3 squared plus 9 times, again 3 substitute, minus 5. So, copy 2. What is 3 raised to 2? That is 9. Very good. What is 9 times 3? 27. You copy the negative 5. 2 and 9 is equals to 8, 10. Plus 27 minus 5. So, nahin natin to. 27 minus 5. Yes, very good. That is 22. Now, meron tayo dito 8, 10 plus 22. So, that is 40. Tama. So, therefore, f times g of 3 is equals to 40. Last, final. Let's have the number 8. So, meron tayo h divided by g of 3. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung sagot natin kanina dito, h divided by g of x is x plus 5. So, ito. Since, reason natin dito, since h divided g of x is equals to x plus 5, then h over g of 3 is equals to, substitute ko lang yung 3 sa x natin, 3 plus 5 lamang siya. Ganon. What is 3 plus 5? Very good. Simple as that, 8. So, h over g of 3 is equals to, yes, very good. That is 8. So, yun lamang guys. I hope you understand. So, that are the 4 operations natin sa function. Addition, ulitin ko, addition, subtraction, multiplication, tapos meron tayong division. Now, meron din tayong tinatawag na composite function or composition of function. Sige, continue natin dito. Composition of function. So, let's say for example, meron akong ganito, f circle g of x. By the way, yung pagkabigas natin dito is f circle g of x. Hindi siya multiply ha, kasi yung multiply, that lamang siya. Ito, circle siya, open. So, f circle g of x, by definition, that is f of g of x. Ganyan. So, again, let's proceed. For example, number 1. Meron tayong f of x is equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then, meron tayong h of x, which is x plus 2. Then, you're going to find, number 1, f circle h of x. Number 2, F circle H of 4. Number 3, H circle F of X. So solution, let's try to answer number 1 ito. Given these two functions, f of x and then h of x, then let's have this one, f circle h of x. So f circle h of x. Again, definition, that is f of h of x. So, question, ano yung f natin? F of x, ito. So, meron tayong x squared plus 5x plus 6. Yung h of x naman, meron tayong x plus 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito, yung x natin sa f of x, papalitan lang natin siya kung ano yung h of x. Okay, ganun. So, meron tayo dito x squared. So, yung plus 5x plus 6. So, mapapansin nyo, ito yung f of x, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So, since gagawin natin dito is f circle h, so papalitan natin yung excess sa f of x ng h of x, which is x plus 2. Lagyan natin siya ng x plus 2. Ito din x plus 2. So, parang ganun na siya. So, what is x plus 2 squared? So, meron tayo kanina, I hope natutunan nyo, yung shortcut method natin dito. Ano yung shortcut method natin dito? Square the first term. What is x raised to 2? Okay, that is x raised to 2. Next, multiply natin tong tatlo na to. What is x times 2? 2x. Very good. Times 2. That is 4x. Positive 4x. Lastly, multiply natin tong second term by itself. 2 times 2, that is 4. So, meaning x plus 2 squared is the same as x squared plus 4x plus 4. Plus, to 5 times x. Very good. 5x plus 5 times 2, that is 10. Plus, copy the 6. Okay, combine similar term. Nag-iisa lang naman siya, x squared, copy. Then, meron tayo 4x, then 5x. 4 and 5, that is positive 9x. Nakuha. Meron tayo 4, 10, tapos 6. 4 and 6, that would be 10. Plus 10, 20. Very good. Positive 20. So, ayan. Meron tayo f circle h of x is equals to x squared plus 9x plus 20. So, ayan. Ganun lamang siya ka dali. Naintindihan? Naintindihan. Next, how about number 2? F circle h of 4. Ayan ha, meron tayong f circle h of x. So, since f circle h of x, is equals to x squared plus 9x plus 20, then si f circle h of 4 naman, palitan ko lang yung x natin dito ng 4. So, magiging 4 squared siya, ayan, plus 9 times 4, pinalitan ko siya ng 4, plus 20. Okay, what is 4 squared? That is 4 times 4. Very good. That would be 16. What is 9 times 4? 9 times 4. Ilan? So, 9 times 2, we have 18. Tama ba? 9 times 2, 18. So, 18 times 2, meron tayong, very good, 36 plus, copy, 20. Ito, 16 plus 36. So, 6 plus 6. 12. 1 plus 3. 4. So that is 52. Tama ba? 52. 16 plus 36, 52 plus 20, 72. So, F circle H of 4 is 72. Ganun lamang siya kadali. So, I hope you understand that one. Okay, last, let's have this one. Last example that we have, H circle F of X. So, by definition, that would be H times F of X. So, again, ano yung H of X natin dito? We have X plus 2. Ito, X plus 2. Pero, yung X natin sa H of X, papalitan ko lang siya kung ano yung F of X. Which is, ito. X squared plus 5x plus 6. So, ayan na yun. Isusolve ko. Okay, solve. Copy x squared, copy 5x, so 6 plus 2. Copy. We have positive 8. So, therefore, H circle F of X is equals to ito. X squared plus 5x plus 8. Now, question. Si F circle H of X ba? The same ba siya kay H circle F of X? Yes or no? Let's try to compare the result. So ito, F circle H of X. Ito yung sagot niya. H circle F of X. Ito yung sagot niya. The same ba sila? So basically, kung makikita nyo, hindi sila the same. Nakuha. Baka kasi isipin nyo na pag binaliktad natin sila, magkakapareho sila. So actually, hindi sila the same. Unlike sa multiplication, i-multiply mo si F tapos si H of X, the same pa rin siya sa H times F of X. Kasi multiplication yan. Nakuha, walang problema dun. Pero sa composite function, sa F circle H of X, hindi siya the same kay H circle F of X. Actually, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras, hindi sila the same. Meron tayong case na magiging equal sila. If and only if they are inverses of each other. Nakuha. Now, pag sinabi nating inverses of each other, ano naman yun? So, yun yung tatalakayin natin sa next lesson natin. Inverse functions. I hope you understand. Thank you. So, please subscribe to my channel. So, I will be posting math tutorial sa channel ko para din sa mga grade 11 students natin na kumukuha ng Gen Math. Also, magpo-post din ako ng mga videos ko sa pre-calculus. So, antay-antay lang kasi madami pa akong ginagawa. Thank you. Goodbye.